Ma Shi'an is a train marshalling worker in North China's Shanxi province. The 59-year-old has been devoted to smooth and safe cargo transportation for 3 decades. He works at Hudong Station, China Railway Taiyuan Group. As a major station along the Datong-Qinhuangdao Railway, it sees nearly 100 pairs of coal-laden trains formed, split up, departing or passing here every day.
车辆质量工作主要是揭发列车，最大限度注一单直达高质量，使这个大气线那个通过能力能有所提高。本计划完成的毫无意外，就凭靠车辆值班的组织指挥协调。
Over the decades, Ma also witnessed the development of China's railway network.
大气层30多年奋斗，现在条件好多了。对呀，设备呀、这住宿啊、各项都改善了。
Ma will soon retire, but he says the earnest service spirit of railway workers will pass on.